Techno Bonkers is back again. But this time with smart appliances to convert your old home operating appliances into new technological gadgets to make your daily life experience amazing and way better. This time, your voice command will make calls to your family, your voice command will turn on your fan, and you will be able to monitor your home with wireless security cameras. After buying these products, your daily life tasks will become easy, hassle-free, and time-saving. Let's begin with our first gadget. Wireless home security. All of us want to make our homes secure. But how is this possible? Are you also worried about your home security? Do not worry, Techno Bonkers has a solution for you, and that is wireless home security. You can easily install this in your home. Ready to protect right out of the box. Just plug in the base station, place your sensors, plug in your Simplicum, and start protecting your home in minutes, no tools required. This security system uses an alarm to keep you alert and to keep your home protected. Motion sensors detect motion within 30 feet, have a 90-degree field of vision, and get along great with pets under 50 pounds. Perfect for full range coverage when placed in a corner. Install this system in your home and be tension-free. Amazon Echo Show 10. Do you know how much a voice command system can make your life convenient? What if you just say, "and all done for you"? This is possible with help of Amazon Echo Show 10. Amazon Echo Show 10 comes with an HD screen to show you your desired results in HD quality. Alexa can show you even more with a 10.1 HD screen that's designed to move with you. Video calls, recipes, and shows are always in view. The speakers deliver premium, directional sound. This gadget provides you with so much entertainment. Ask Alexa to play your favorite shows, music, and podcasts from Prime Video, Netflix, Amazon Music, Spotify, and more. Security and entertainment at the same time. Smart bulb. Can you imagine that a single bulb is enough for your studio, party, and home? Is this possible that a single light source provides you with multiple color lights? The smart bulb is the answer to all these questions. The smart bulb also works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Brighter, dimmer, better. You can tune brighter, dimmer, or anywhere between with a wide-ranging lumen output that's as intense or as subtle as you need. You can adjust its light intensity according to your need. This bulb can shine a brighter light on important reminders, create time-based color events, or automate using other Wiz devices to create powerful visual notifications, all in the Wiz app. Smart temperature controller with voice control. Every one of us wants to save energy and money. Tell me, how is this possible? Do not worry. I have a solution for you. We can save money and energy just by installing cool gadgets like Smart Temperature Controller with voice control. This controls the heating and cooling of your home while turning on and off your home appliances. This saves both your energy and money. This controller has a better control system and has the ability to detect your doors, open or close. This helps you save up to 26% annually on heating and cooling costs. Included smart sensor extends comfort to your most important rooms and comes with Siri and Alexa built in for calls, music, and added control. Smart power outlet. A new gadget means a new facility for you in your daily life. Smart power outlet. This is the best example of this. Command your home with your voice. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant, so it's easier said and done. This is certified for humans. Struggle-free, tinker-free, stress-free. No patience is needed, it's actually simple. You can control your home from anywhere. Turn them on or off remotely with the Wiz app. Custom scheduling in the Wiz app lets you turn the Wiz plug on or off at specific times of the day. Connect multiple Wiz plugs to one room so you can turn everything on or off at once. This is how this plug makes your day easy. Smart microwave. When all of your things are get controlled with help of apps, why not smart microwave? Now you can cook your desired recipe just by selecting that recipe in the mobile app. All of the settings get applied. The smart microwave cooks this recipe in its own way. Fully meet family needs. 2-layer even cooking. The oven's 26-quart 25-liter capacity 1-layer fits up to 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or a 5-pound whole chicken. Just pick up your smartphone and tap the Vessing cap to make meals at the touch of a button, or enjoy hands-free control of your toast oven by connecting to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Smart coffee maker. Most of us like coffee, but none of us like to make coffee. The smart coffee maker is a solution to this issue. This coffee maker makes coffee for you and is controlled with help of mobile phones. This coffee maker is designed for non-experts. Setup with Alexa is simple. No need to download additional apps to control the Coffeemaker. You only need the Alexa app to turn the connected brewer on or off. You can use the Alexa app to set morning routines to the program to brew, which gets you out the door even faster. Easily add coffee and water from the front. The front fill design of the reservoir lets you add water without moving the smart coffee maker from under the cabinets. Hence, coffee making is no more difficult. Smart cleaning robot. Robots are replacing humans day by day because robots are way faster and perfect for some tasks as compared to humans. One example is smart cleaning robot. The Brava Jet M6 robot mops like you would. You can tell where and when to clean, and Precision Jet Spray helps tackle sticky messes and kitchen grease. Ideal for multiple rooms and larger spaces. Navigates around objects and under furniture. Cleans finished hard floors including hardwood, tile, and stone. Coffee spill on the floor, dog track and mud. The M6 can target specific areas within your rooms, like in front of the couch or under a table, for easy, hands-free mopping, with a request to your voice assistant or via the app. Smart connected rechargeable toothbrush. Clean teeth are the true sign of good health. Anything we eat is first processed by our teeth and then moves inward. Some of the scraps remain in our teeth. Better care of teeth is essential. For better care of teeth, the better choice is smart connected rechargeable toothbrush. This toothbrush connects with a mobile app. When you start brushing, the mobile app guides you completely for better results. The app indicates the time for better results. This toothbrush comes with a long-lasting built-in battery. You can easily recharge this battery as it is rechargeable. The best solution for all of your teeth problems. Smart ceiling fan Wi-Fi-enabled. Nowadays, if you are not using smart gadgets, you are wasting your most important thing. Time. Now you can control most of your electrical appliances with the help of your smartphone, like the smart ceiling fan. Turn on off, change blade speeds, and more using your phone and the free Atomi Smart app, or the included remote control. Also works with simple voice commands to Alexa or Google Assistant. Built-in LED lights, 9 watts of energy-efficient power, produces 1,500 lumens of light that last up to 50,000 hours. Lights are fully dimmable and tunable between neutral, cool, and warm tones of white. Smart Wi-Fi tower space heater. Control your room heater with your mobile phone. Sounds crazy? Smart Wi-Fi tower space heater is a real example. This is sleek and powerful, with a wobble-free base compatible with carpet and hard floor surfaces. A large LED display and control panel makes it even easier to operate. 1500-watt PTC ceramic heating technology starts to warm in seconds. Whisper quiet oscillation circulates air evenly up to 750 square feet, and smartly shuts off when air is no longer blowing. Operate remotely by downloading the free, highly rated Atomi app to your smart device. Create daily or weekly schedules, turn the heater on/off, turn on oscillation, and more. Smart LED table lamp. Why you do not make your home charming with smart LED table lamp? If you love to make your home better, then you must have smart LED table lamp. This table lamp has different modes and different colors to provide every time new look. With over 16 million colors including warm white and color temperatures from 1800 to 3000K, you can create stunning surroundings for any occasion with a stylish addition to your home decor. The slim, sleek outline and superior silver finish provide a distinctive decor to your bedroom, living room, or games room. Add a unique touch with a chic, smart light. Tell me about your favorite product in the comment box. Thanks for watching.